Hello, I'm Mark Lassoff from LearnToProgram.tv. I wanted to thank you for taking one of our courses and give you some information about our company. First off, I love to hear from students. Whether you're taking the class or even after you've completed the class, you can reach me via email directly at mark@learntoprogram.tv. We're also on Facebook at facebook.com/learntoprogram.tv. And we've just started our brand new discussion forum. Our discussion forum can be reached at learntoprogram.tv/user-forum. Just like everyone else in the world, we're on Twitter as well. @mlassoff is how you can follow us on Twitter. I'd like to ask you, as you're taking the course, to do us just a couple of small favors. First, friend LearnToProgram.tv on Facebook. You can do that right from the front page of our website. We'd also like to ask you to register as a student at www.learntoprogram.tv/register. If you do that, we're going to send you discounts off of future courses that can be really valuable. If you are a Google Plus subscriber, go ahead and +1 us on Google Plus, and finally, subscribe to our Twitter feed. If you do subscribe, we'll make sure you know about our new courses and discounts and other programs that we make available regularly. Hey, thanks again for choosing LearnToProgram.tv. I really hope you enjoy the course, and if you have any questions or comments at all, I'd love to hear from you. I'm Mark Lassoff, and I'll see you in class.